Hi students, this is Vasudev Panda. Welcome to Master of English. Welcome to another class of MCQ. पिले डॉक्टर स्वॉर्डर आम छोटा यूनिट पढ़ी सारीचे तार टेक्स्ट बेस क्वेश्चन आंसर भी सब कर सारीचे तो आज टिके संपूर्ण चैप्टर को रिविजन करवा 63टा प्रश्न अति विकल्प संभावित प्रश्न मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन जहाँ को कहूचे आम तो यही प्रश्न 63टा प्रश्न आम गोटे थर सब क्वेश्चन आंसर करदे आमर पास संपूर्ण रिविजन हो पाठ पढ़ार आवश्यकता ना ताले ठीक अच्छे वीडियोटी लंबा हम तेणु तुमको मात्र 3 सेकेंड समय मिल यू आर टू आंसर विदिन 3 सेकेंड ओके लेट मी स्टार्ट द वीडियो ओके फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट डज ऑन वन्स लास्ट लेग्स मीन्स वन लास्ट लेग कहले कौन ऑप्शंस आर वेरी सिक वीक एंड अबाउट टू डाई नॉट इन वन्स गुड हेल्थ ऑल ऑफ द अबव ताले ठीक उत्तर कौन हम 1 2 3 yes you are correct B weak and about to die the right answer 2 number प्रश्न when did people come to Dr. Raman केते बेले लोक माने रमन को पाखकु आशु तिले ऑप्शन गुडी कहला when the patient was very sick B when the patient had almost no hope C when the patient collapse D when the patient had recovered a little ठीक उत्तर कौटा हम B when the patient had almost no hope जिते बड़े रोगी मान बंचार आशा न था से माने आसंती नहले आसबे नहीं 3 नंबर प्रश्न why did Dr. Raman often burst out when he found the patient in his last breath ऑप्शन गुडी कहला A why wasn't he brought to him earlier B why was he taken to another doctor C why had the family members treated him wrong D why was his condition so serious ताले ठीक उत्तर कोड़ा हम पिले ठीक उत्तर होची A why wasn't he brought to him earlier तांको कहीं की आगुरु आनिले नहीं 4 नंबर प्रश्न what was Dr. Raman's visiting fee Dr. Raman करा visiting fee केते थिला ऑप्शन गुडी कहला 20 रुपीस B 25 रुपीस C 30 रुपीस D 35 रुपीस एटा होची सबटर सहज उत्तर ताले ठीक उत्तर हम B 25 रुपीस 5 नंबर प्रश्न What fact did people like to avoid को जिनसटा को अवॉइड करूथले से माने A that the patient had less of B that the visiting fees of Dr. Raman was high C that Dr. Raman means death sentence that the patient could not be saved no matter what ताहले कोटा ठीक उत्तर हम पिले इधारे गोटे ट्विस्ट कन्फ्यूजन अच्छी सब बेले पिला माने कहउछन सर दैट द विजिटिंग फीस ऑफ डॉक्टर रमन वाज हाई एई जिंस सब सब पिला कहंती किंतु बीटा सेटा सेमती हबो नाही आ सी भी केते लोग कहंती दैट डॉक्टर रमन मीन्स डेथ सेंटेंस ना सेटा को से माने अवॉइड करूथले कहउथले दैट द पेशेंट हैड लेस होप जदी से माने डॉक्टर पाखु जिवे डॉक्टर सत्य कहि देले से मरि जीवो माने तार चांस बंचिबार चांस बहुत कम तो एटा ही ठीक उत्तर हम 6 नंबर प्रश्न द पेशेंट रिलेटिव्स ऑलवेज ट्राई टू अवॉइड calling in Dr. Raman for them there was something dash in the very association options are serious unnecessary C threatening D shirking ताले ठीक उत्तर कोठा हम पिले लिखा है very there is something ominous in the very association ominous कहले threatening ताले कोठा ठीक उत्तर हम C टा होची ठीक उत्तर 7 नंबर प्रश्न So when the big man came on the scene, it was always dash. Options are the last moment, critical for the patient, a quick decision to make, late. ताले ठीक उत्तर कोड़ा हम पिले yes C a quick decision to make टा होची ठीक उत्तर yes or no C टा होची ठीक उत्तर 8 नंबर प्रश्न What was long years of practice bred in the doctor? कौन होइथिला तांका भीतर एते वर्ष प्रैक्टिस कला परे A experience to save lives B a certain manner of rudeness C a certain degree of kindness D a certain quart of truthfulness so according to the text the right answer would be D a certain quart of truthfulness 9 question number 9 why was the doctor's opinion valued डॉक्टर कर ओपिनियन को काहे की गुरुत्व दिया जाउथला A for his experience B for his kindness C for his truthfulness D for his expertise ताले 9 नंबर प्रश्न ठीक उत्तर कोड हबो C for his truthfulness is the right answer 10 नंबर प्रश्न Dr. Raman was not a mere doctor expressing an opinion, but and yes, options are a judge pronouncing a verdict, B. Kind man helping patient, C. Expert saving lives, D. Experienced consultant. ठीक उत्तर कोटा पिले? Yes, you are right. A. Judge pronouncing a verdict. एटा होची ठीक उत्तर. 11 नंबर प्रश्न. What did the patient's life hang on? को जिनस ऊपर निर्भर करूथला? A. Dr. Raman's experience, B. Dr. Raman's treatment, C. Dr. Raman's words, D. Dr. Raman's kindness. ताले ठीक उत्तर कोटा? Yes, C. Dr. Raman's words. 12 नंबर प्रश्न. What did Dr. Raman never believe? Dr. Raman को जिनस विश्वास करू नथिले? A. True words can save lives. B. Mere words can save lives. C. Agreeable words can save lives. D. God's will can save lives. তাহলে 12 নম্বর প্রশ্নের ঠিক উত্তর হবে সি, এগ্রিয়েবল ওয়ার্ডস ক্যান সেভ লাইভস। কাহাকু মিথ্যা প্রতিশ্রুতি দেলে জীবন বঞ্চে বলে সে বিশ্বাস করু নথিলে। 13 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, why did Dr. Raman think that it was not any of his business to provide unnecessary hope to the patients and their family? Options गुड़िक है because they would ultimately know the truth in few hours, B. because it was none of his business, C. because he was not that kind-hearted, D. because it was not his duty to give people hope. তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর কোড হবে পিলে? because they would ultimately know the truth in few hours. এটা হচ্ছে ঠিক উত্তর। 14 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, what would Dr. Raman do if he glimpsed the faintest sign of hope? ऑप्शन गुड़िक है A. pause all other works and perform operation, B. do whatever he could to save the patient, then the other two options give hope to the patient and his family, D. prepare to fight with death. তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর কোটা হবে বলে? ঠিক উত্তর হচ্ছে বি। yes or no? বিটা হচ্ছে ঠিক উত্তর। do whatever he could to save the patient, रोगीटू बचाइबा पई से जहाँ भी दरकार पड़िबो करूथिले। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, why did Dr. Raman needed someone to tell him soothing lies? Option, because his dearest friend was ill, B. because he had lost all hope, C. because he was heartbroken, D. because he knew soothing lies can save lives. তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর কোড হবে বলে? because his dearest friend was ill, A. the right answer। 16 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, how long had Dr. Raman and Gopal been friends? केते दिन धरी से माने बंधुता थिला तांकर? A. 20 years, B. 35 years, C. 40 years, D. 50 years। ताले ठीक उत्तर कोटा? Yes, 40 years, C the right answer। 17 नंबर प्रश्न, how long have Dr. Raman and Gopal been associated? केते दिन धरी से मानकर संपर्क थिला? ऑप्शन हला from their kindergarten days, B. from their nursery days, C. from their high school days, D. from their college days। ठीक उत्तर कोटा? A. from their KG days, kindergarten days। 18 नंबर प्रश्न, why could not Dr. Raman and Gopal meet often? कहीं किसे मने मिसी पारू नथिले? A. they had a fight, B. they did not like each other that much, C. being busy in their lives, D. Gopal was sick। So what is the right answer? C. being busy in their lives। 19 नंबर प्रश्न, how was the friendship of Dr. Raman and Gopal? ऑप्शन गुड़िक है A. happy, B. old, C. untouched by changing circumstances, D. unaltered by their responsibilities। তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর হবে পিলে C. untouched by changing circumstances। 20 নম্বর প্রশ্ন বর্তমান দেখিবা, what would the two friends do occasionally on Sunday? Sunday रे से माने कोन करूथिले? A. watch a picture, B. dine together, C. talk about their lives, D. all of the above। তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর কোডা? ঠিক উত্তর হচ্ছে all of the above, ডিটা হচ্ছে ঠিক উত্তর। 21 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, how long have Gopal not been called in Dr. Raman? Dr. Raman को कितने दिन हला से भेटी नथिला? A. for over 2 months, B. for over 3 months, C. for over 4 months, D. for over 5 months। তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর কোটারে পিলে 21 নম্বর প্রশ্নর ঠিক উত্তর হচ্ছে for over yes 3 months, be the right answer। 22 नंबर प्रश्न देखिबा, how was Gopal's son? Gopal रो पिला किपरि थिला, तार पुओ किपरि थिला? A. nervous and shy, B. sad and dejected, C. nervous and sad, D. Shy and dejected. তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর কোড হব was nervous and shy. এটা হচ্ছে ঠিক উত্তর। 23 নম্বর প্রশ্ন হু আর সেন্ট ফর ডক্টর রমন ডক্টর রমনଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ କିଏ ଖବର ପଠାଇଥିଲା ଏ ଗୋପାଲସନ ବି ଗୋପାଲ୍ସ ୱାଇଫ୍ ସି ଗୋପାଲ ଡି ଗୋପାଲ୍ସ ମଦର ତାହେଲେ ଠିକ ଉତ୍ତର କୋଉଟା B. Gopal's wife was the right answer. 24. Where did Gopal live? Gopal kouthi rahuthila? A. In Lali Extension. B. Near the hospital. C. Near Dr. Raman's apartment. D. In Loest Colony. তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর কোটা পেলে A. In Lali Extension. ঠিক উত্তর হচ্ছে A. 25 নম্বর প্রশ্ন How long has Gopal been in bed? Gopal কেতে দিন ধরি বেড রহিতলা A. 2 months. B. 1.5 months. C. 2.5 months. D. 3 months. তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর হচ্ছে B. 1.5 months. 26 নম্বর প্রশ্ন Who was attending Gopal? Gopalର ଚିକିତ୍ସା କିଏ କରୁଥିଲା? ଅପସନ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ହେଲା A doctor in Dr. Raman's hospital. B. A doctor near Gopal's house. C. A doctor in the next street. D. A doctor in Lali Extension. So is the right answer. C. A doctor in the next street. Question number 27. 27 number प्रश्न The doctor was attending Gopal came once in Dias and gave him medicine. केते दिन थरे आसिकी मेडिसिन दउथुला ऑप्शन गुडी कला A week. B 3 days. C 2 days. B a day. ताले ठीक उत्तर होची yes B 3 days. Question number 28. 28 number प्रश्न तुमन को भाई एबे मोबाइल स्क्रीन करे Why was the doctor upset with Gopal's family? Doctor Gopal रा परिवार लोगों को पर कहीं की रागीले A. As they had not informed him earlier. B. As they hid the truth from him. C. As they had called another doctor. D. As the doctor treating Gopal was not qualified. ठीक उत्तर होची A. As they had not informed him earlier. कहीं की मते आगुरु खबर देलो नहीं बोली 29 नंबर प्रश्न How were Gopal's family members? Gopal रा परिवार लोग किभଳି ଥିଲେ A. Dejected and anxious. B. Nervous and sad. C. Apologetic and miserable. D. Heartbroken. ठीक उत्तर कोटा पेले Yes, they were apologetic and miserable. C टा होची ठीक उत्तर 30 नंबर प्रश्न Why had not they sent for Dr. Raman earlier? Dr. Raman को पाखକୁ ଆଗରୁ ସେମାନେ ଖବର କାହିଁକି ଦେଲେ ନାହିଁ Option ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ହେଲା A. They did not want to trouble the doctor. B. They were not sure about killing him. C. They didn't want to pay the high visiting fees. D. They knew calling in Dr. Raman meant death. ठीक उत्तर होची A. They didn't want to trouble the doctor. 31 नंबर प्रश्न Whom did Dr. Raman ask to be sent away? Dr. Raman काहाकू पठेई दवा पई कहले बाहर को A. The family member except Gopal's wife. B. The children except the eldest. C. The family members except Gopal's son. D. Everybody. ताले ठीक उत्तर कोड हबो The children except the eldest. B टा होची ठीक उत्तर 32 नंबर प्रश्न For how long the doctor gazed at his friend's face? A. Over an hour. B. An hour. C. Half an hour. D. 2 hours. ताले ठीक उत्तर कोड हबो पिले Option A. Over an hour. 33. How did the doctor face gleamed? किपरि चकचक करूथला काहे की A. With sweat झाଳରେ B. Light fell on him light पडुथला C. His friends responded to the medicine D. With fatigue ताले ठीक उत्तर हबो A. With sweat झाଳରେ तकर मुह चकचक होतला 34 नंबर प्रश्न Why did Gopal's wife ask to make some coffee for the doctor? काहे की A. He looked fatigued से क्लांत जना पड़ुथले B. He was hungry से भोकिला थिले C. He was sleepy तंगु निद होतला D. He felt restless से अविश्रांत मने करथले ठीक उत्तर कोटा He looked fatigued से क्लांत जना पड़ुथले A. 35 नंबर प्रश्न 35 नंबर प्रश्न हला Why did Dr. Raman feel hungry? तंकु काहे की भोक लागुथला A. He had not eaten in 2 days. B. He had skipped his lunch. C. He had skipped his breakfast and lunch. D. He was not hungry. ताला ठीक उत्तर कोटा B. He had skipped his lunch. 36 नंबर प्रश्न मोबाइल स्क्रीन पर अछि तमन को पई वर्तमान What did Dr. Raman ask Gopal's wife when he was living? कोन कहले से ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଛାଡ଼ିକି ଗଲେ A to make him some lunch, B to feed Gopal simple lunch, C not to disturb Gopal, D not to let Gopal sleep on any account। তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর কোনটা হবে? C not to disturb Gopal। 37 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, with whom did the doctor return? কাহা সহিত ডক্টর আসিলে? A an assistant and a nurse, B another doctor and a nurse, C his assistant, D two nurses। তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর কোনটা পেলে? A an assistant and a nurse, দুইজনকে ধরিকি সে আসিলে। 38 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, whom did Dr. Raman want to stay to help them in the operation? କାହାକୁ ସେ ରହିବା ପାଇଁ କହିଲେ ଅପରେସନର ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ? A Gopal's son, B Gopal's wife, C the doctor in the next street, D his assistant attendant। তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর হবে A Gopal's son। Question number 39, 39 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, where did Dr. Raman perform Gopal's operation? Dr. Raman Gopalର ଅପରେସନ କୋଉଠି କଲେ? A in his house, B in Gopal's house, C in his hospital, D in the hospital near Gopal's house। তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর কোনটা হবে? Yes, B in Gopal's house। 40 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, when did the patient open his eyes? অপশন গুড়িক হলা at 8 in the evening, B at 12 in the afternoon, C at 2 that night, D at 8 the next morning। তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর হলা yes option A at 8 in the evening। 41 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, who was overjoyed when the patient opened his eyes and his pulse had improved? Options are A the doctor, B the patient's wife, C the attendant, D the nurse। তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর হচ্ছে B the patient's, sorry, she is the right answer, the attendant is the right answer। Question number 42, 42 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, who was not very hopeful about the recovery of Gopal? କିଏ ଗୋପାଳର ରିକଭରି ବିଷୟରେ ମାନେ ଆଶାବାଦୀ ନଥିଲେ? A Dr. Raman, B the attendant, C Gopal's son, D the nurse। ତାହେଲେ ଠିକ ଉତ୍ତର କୋଉଟା ପିଲେ? Yes, A Dr. Raman। 43 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, why did the family member pour out their gratitude on the doctor? କାହିଁକି ସେମାନେ କୃତଜ୍ଞତା ଜ୍ଞାପନ କରୁଥିଲେ? A Gopal had taken food after long, B Gopal had shown slight improvement, C Gopal was healthy again, D Gopal was recovering very fast। তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর কোটা হব B Gopal had shown slight improvement, ଟିକେ improve ସେ କରୁଥିଲା। 43 নম্বর প্রশ্নର ঠিক উত্তর হব কোটা? Yes, Gopal had shown a slight improvement। So question number 44, 44 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, what did the doctor ask Gopal's wife to give him every 40 minutes? A glucogen food, B glucogen medicine, C glucogen brandy, D glucogen injection। তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর কোটা পেলে? Yes, C glucogen brandy। 45 নম্বর প্রশ্ন হবে দেখিবা ଆମେ, why was Gopal's wife terrified even after Gopal's had shown slight improvement? ଟିକେ ଉନ୍ନତି କଲା ପରେ ବି ଗୋପାଳର ୱାଇଫ୍ କାହିଁକି ଡରୁଥିଲା? ଅପସନ୍ A Dr. Raman was avoiding her question, B Dr. Raman was talking to Gopal, C Gopal was not taking any food, D Gopal could not recognize anyone। তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর হব yes Dr. Raman was avoiding her question, ସେ ତାର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନର ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଉନଥିଲେ। ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଠିକ ଉତ୍ତର। 44 নম্বର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଏବେ ଦେଖିବା, why was Gopal's pulse agitated? ଗୋପାଳର ନାଡ଼ି ଜୋରରେ ଚାଲୁଥିଲା କାହିଁକି? A he was excited, B he was happy, C he was dejected, D he was curious। ঠিক উত্তর হব A because he was excited। 47 নম্বর প্রশ্ন ଏବେ ଦେଖିବା ଆମେ, what did Gopal ask Dr. Raman? ଗୋପାଳ କ'ଣ ପଚାରିଲା? A was his time near, B will he be all right, C what had happened to him, D why was his wife crying? তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর কোটা বলে? A was his time near। 48 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, why did Gopal want to know how much time he had? যে କାହିଁକି ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା ସେ କେତେ ସମୟ ବଞ୍ଚିବ ବୋଲିକି? A he wanted to see his son, B he wanted to divide his property, C he wanted to sign his will, D he wanted to prepare his will। তাহলে ঠিক উত্তর কোটা বলে? C because he wanted to sign his will। 49, question number 49. What did Gopal want the doctor to do? A. To sign his will for him. B. To sign his will as witness. C. To give his will to his son. D. To ask his wife to bring the will. ठीक उत्तर हबो yes to sign his will as a witness. B टा होची ठीक उत्तर. 50 नंबर प्रश्न question number 50. What would leaving his property unsettled mean for Gopal's wife and children? से जदि सेटल न करे तार संपत्ति कोन हबो तार छुआ पिला मानक सहित. A dispute. B curse. C unhappy circumstances. D endless misery. According to the text, the right answer would be D endless misery. 51 number प्रश्न. Why did the doctor wish to run away? डाक्टर कहीं पलि जावाई इच्छा करुले. A. He did not want to answer his friend's question. B. He did not want to see his friend die. C. He was unable to save his dearest friend. D. He wanted to escape the truth. तारा ठीक उत्तर कोडा हबो पिले. A. He did not want to answer his friend's question. Question number 52. Why could not the doctor ask his friends to sign the will? कहीं की से ताकू कहिले नहीं will sign करिवा पाई. Option A. It would not settle his family affairs. B. The doctor knew his friends will leave. C. It would mean death sentence to him. D. He did not want his friend to exert himself. तारा ठीक उत्तर कोडा हबो पिले. C. It would mean death sentence to his death sentence to him. C. 53. This was the first time Dr. Raman was going to test before a patient. A. Do a piece of acting. B. Say agreeable words. C. Say truthful words. D. Sign a will. ठीक उत्तर हबो ऑप्शन ए डू ए piece of acting. 54 नंबर प्रश्न में देखिबा बे. Why did Gopal say if it comes from your lips it must be true to the doctor? Options are A. Dr. Raman was known to be truthful. B. Dr. Raman was his friend. Dr. Raman had never lied to him. D. Dr. Raman knew his family affairs well. ताले ठीक उत्तर कोटा. B. Dr. Raman was known to be truthful. से जने सत्यवादी डाक्टर थिले. 55 नंबर प्रश्न. What did Dr. Raman ask his attendant to expect in the Lali extension case? A. Recovery. B. Death. C. Critical assistance. D. Special care requirement. ठीक उत्तर हबो B. Death. 56 नंबर प्रश्न 56. Whom did Dr. Raman ask to go to Gopal's house? A. His assistant. B. Gopal's son. C. A nurse. D. The doctor in the next street. काहा कहले जीवा पई. ऑप्शन A. His assistant. 57 नंबर प्रश्न. When was the doctor back at his friend's house the next morning? केते बेले से फेरिले तांको बंधु घरकू. A at 8, B at 10, C at 11, D at 12. ताले ठीक उत्तर कोडा हबिले B at 10. 58 नंबर प्रश्न. How was the patient when Dr. Raman arrived? जेतले पहुंचले से किभली थिला. A. Awake and well. B. Asleep and recovering. C. Awake and cheerful. D. Dead. ताहले 58 नंबर प्रश्न ठीक उत्तर हबो the patient was awake and well. एटा होची ठीक उत्तर. ये सुनो वर्तमान देखिबा 59 नंबर प्रश्न 59. What did the assistant report? A. Quick recovery. B. Good wealth. C. Satisfactory pulse. D. Mild fever. तारा ठीक उत्तर कोटा कोन कहला से yes satisfactory pulse sir. C होची ठीक उत्तर. 60 नंबर प्रश्न. What did Dr. Raman say to Gopal's wife? Dr. Raman Gopal रो स्त्री को कोन कहले. A. Gopal will be fine soon. B. Gopal was fine. C. Gopal will live to be 90. D. Gopal will sign his will. ताले ठीक उत्तर कोटा पिले yes Gopal 90 वर्ष बंचियो बोली कहले. C टा होची ठीक उत्तर. Gopal will live to be 90. Question number 61. What will the doctor bet on? को जिनसो पर से बाजी लगेवा पे चाहूथिले. A. His friend will live. B. His friend will recover soon. C. His friend will be healthy. D. His friend will not have another attack. ताले ठीक उत्तर होची 61 नंबर प्रश्न रो ठीक उत्तर कोटा पिले yes his friend will लिव एटा होची ठीक उत्तर 62 what will remain a puzzle to Dr. Raman? A. How his friend survived the attack. B. How his friend lived. C. Why his friend's family called him late. D. Why was Gopal treated by an unknown doctor? ताहले कोटा ठीक उत्तर पिले ठीक उत्तर होची yes how his friend survived the attack. A is the right answer. शेष प्रश्न ए वीडियो आम रिविजन सेक्टर शेष प्रश्न होची व्हाट डज टर्न द कर्नर मीन. टर्न द कर्नर मीन कहले कौन. टर्न द कर्नर कहले कौन. ए शिफ्ट प्लेसेस. बी पास ए क्रिटिकल पॉइंट इन एन इलनेस. सी रिकवर फ्रॉम ए मसिव अटैक. डी चीट डेथ विथ मेडिसिन. ताहले ठीक उत्तर होची कोडा हो पिले yes you are right. Pass a critical point in an illness is the right answer. B तुमको सी बढ़िया लागू थी but this is the right answer. B is the right answer. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.